Salt Lake City Structural Repair Company, Restruction Corporation of Utah, now offers bridge repair services across the state. Restruction Corporation provides a full structural integrity assessment and the latest in structural repair techniques. Experienced bridge engineering management professionals conduct petrography, rebar corrosion testing, and other non-destructive tests, NDTs. Bridge repair service in Salt Lake County. Fix rebar spacing issues, cracks, scaling, spalling, delamination, leaching, post-tension and other defects. Alternate bridge repair solutions from top Utah project specialists emphasize safety and quality at optimal costs. The team at Restruction Corporation Utah works closely with you to identify economical concrete repair solutions for long-term structural integrity. The team has more than 50 years of cumulative experience in the repair of dams, parking garages, pressure pipes, helipads, arenas, and foundations. Visit utah.restruction.com/bridge repair to discuss your project.